Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of Preethi Prime 750 watt mixer grinder. Okay, to be precise, the exact model is a Preethi Prime Mixer Grinder, which is of MG286, which is of green color. See here, this is the green color, coming with 3 jars, one chutney jar and one actual 1.2 liter big jar and one medium jar. All the three comes with the handle as shown in the picture here. We'll see the contents in the box, and one is 1.25 liter jar, one 0.75 liter jar, and 0.4, which is the chutney jar. Total 3 jars and one mixer grinder, the main unit, the basic 750 watt mixer grinder. And the price it is showing like 4,469. and remember, the user bought this offline store, not online store like Flipkart or Amazon. They bought it on the offline store and they got it for like nearly 3,900 or 4,000 exactly. Exactly they didn't mention the price, but the user told somewhat close to 4,000. Yeah. Let us open this package and see how is the quality of these jars provided and how is the plastic quality and everything. We'll see. Let me just take out the jars first. Yeah, this would be the chutney jar, which is 0.4 liter jar, and it comes with the handle. See here, handle, yes. And this is the main unit, 750 watt mixer grinder, the main unit. And this is 1.25 liter, the big jar, and this one is the medium jar, which is of 0.75, and all comes with the good plastic, means the study plastic, and the handles. Here, handles for all the 3 jars, handles were provided. That's the good thing. And the blade here, the stainless steel quality is good, and the overall polycarbonate is hard plastic material, you can say. Even these handles also, even the handles provided are good, steady, hard, so that you can count on durability. Let me just take out the main unit, which is 750 watt Preethi Prime Mixer Grinder, and let us check how many speed adjustments are available here. Preethi Prime P, maybe pulse, 1 2 3 speed settings are available. 0 is for off. Yeah, 1 2 and 3 speed settings. This comes with 5-year warranty and lifelong service, means free service they mention on the box. And let us check the online details also. At the end of the video, I'll be checking the prices on the online and also the rating on the online provided, how the other users are feeling about this product, as this product is purchased offline. Okay, yeah, these are the box content, and the plastic material is very durable, very tough plastic, you can say, even for the main unit, and also the jars, which is of good quality. And maybe like after 2 to 3 months or somewhat usage, I'll be posting a review video on that, how is the effective working. On the box it is mentioned like for hard grinding, masala grindings and hard grindings, within 2 minutes, within very less time, this would do performance. See, 50% faster grinding it is saying. Okay, 50% faster grinding. So all those details I will be telling in the review video, whether all the things which are mentioned here in the practical, just I will be testing and I will be telling the honest review from the user itself. So if anyone wants review on this product, grinds hard ingredients in 2 minutes, this is what I'm saying now. So please do ask in the comments if you want a review, so that within 2 months I can post a video that how it is doing. So let us check the online prices and the rating also. It takes 215 quality checks. Yeah, 10-hour blade reliability, safety and reliable tests. All the details were mentioned here. Powerful and reliable with 50% faster grinding. Yeah, so I'll be checking the Flipkart details now. Yeah, see here when I try to find out the same model here on online, it is showing like 3900 and the user got very similar price 3950 something like that. Yeah, and here the ratings were good 4.2 and almost 20,000 ratings. And as this is a branded, Preethi Prime got good ratings and reviews, and that too. And it comes with polycarbonate win-win sense, hard plastic, good hard plastic, which is for durability, and warranty 2 years product warranty and 5 years motor warranty. And also it is mentioned on the box like lifelong warranty, means free service, lifelong free service, sorry, not lifelong warranty but lifelong free service, means they won't charge you anything. Okay, all the ratings and reviews. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, or if you previously used this sort of Preethi Prime, please do share your opinion in the comments so that it will be helpful for someone who is looking for this product. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.